Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare Co-op split screen. First, make sure your console is connected to the internet to download any necessary game updates. Then, connect a second controller to your console before you even start the game. This ensures the system recognizes both inputs. Finally, log in with a second player profile or a guest account for the second player to be ready for action. This simple preparation sets the stage for a smooth co-op experience. Once the game is launched, you'll be at the main menu. From here, use your controller to navigate and select the co-op or special ops option. This is where you'll find all the cooperative missions available for 2 players. Before proceeding, double-check that both Player 1 and Player 2 are active and visible on the screen, usually indicated by their respective profiles or guest names. This confirms the split-screen mode is correctly engaged and ready for mission selection. Now that you're in the Special Ops menu, you can browse through the various missions available. Select the one you and your partner wish to tackle together. Before diving in, each player will have the opportunity to customize their loadout, choosing weapons, perks, and equipment, and select their preferred operator. Take a moment to coordinate your choices for a balanced team. Once both players are satisfied with their selections, confirm and initiate the mission to jump straight into the action. With the mission underway, the screen will split, allowing both players to have their own view of the action. Remember to work together, communicating effectively to complete objectives and eliminate enemy threats. Call out enemy positions, share ammunition if possible, and revive your teammate when they are down. Experiment with different strategies and loadouts across various missions to keep the experience fresh and challenging. Enjoy the thrill of cooperative play in Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.